Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is your friend Spitfire PT with another unboxing on my new studio. The lights are different, the setup behind me is a little bit different, and for the unboxing we're gonna use this package that arrived yesterday, which is from Sena, and I'm pretty sure it's the new intercom that I've been waiting. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna open it and then I'm gonna install it on this helmet, which is my new helmet from Next, the Portuguese manufacturer, the SX100R, which I already have a review. You can check it up here if you want the review of this helmet. Very good helmet for the price. It doesn't have a GoPro, it doesn't have an intercom, so that's what we're gonna do, but that's another video. Today we're gonna do the unboxing here. And here it is, guys, exactly what I was expecting, the 10C EVO intercom. I've been waiting for this for a while because besides being an intercom, it also works as an action camera. So it has a built-in camera, which I hope it is good. Let me see the quality. It's 2160p, so should be good. 185-degree view angle, 30-degree rotation lens. So let's open the box. Open, because I'm very curious. Go there to see what's inside. Okay, here it is, the intercom with the camera. Okay, very nice intercom with the camera. Okay, this is to rotate the camera to make it on the purpose. Okay, nice. Same jog dials as the other intercom that I have. Okay, I'm sure I'll have lots of things to learn about this intercom. What else? Charging for the 12-volt socket, like I'm going to use this on a motorcycle, which I'm not. Micro USB. Okay, it's not Type C, but okay, it is what it is. And this one here. Okay, these are all the accessories that you need to connect to the helmet. What else? Microphones. This is the earphones, the sponges. This is the microphone, and the most important, that for sure I'm gonna need to read, it's the instructions, because being a Sena intercom, it has a lot of functions with the buttons. But I'm pretty sure, like I said, this is just an unboxing. With the app, I will be able to configure everything that I need, and then just use the app to do, and then just use the intercom to do the basic things. Having said this, guys, don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for a motorcycle. It only works in Portugal, but at least it's helpful if you get your motorcycle stolen. If you don't know where you put your motorcycle, you can use their service. It works 24/7 here in Portugal. Link down in the description. First month free. Having said this, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one, which is probably will be the review of this intercom on this helmet. So see you!